gitonga kiriganirwo ni Ngai watũheire niki wonirio kigaruruka niki wonirio gicoka thutha ririkana indo ciothe ni cia kũheo ndũrĩ kĩndũ wokire na kĩa gũkũmi
Wapigie wasanii makofi mazuri. Hatujaelewana. Wapigie wasanii makofi mazuri. Ili mfahamu kwamba wasanii wote hawaja perform. Ni theruthi a third. Ebu wasanii wote walioko hapa wasimame kwa miguu yao. If you are an artist, stand up on your feet. Askofu, ungepatia hawa wasanii wote nafasi, ungezikana kesho kitu saa 5 ya mchana. Wapigieni makofi wasanii, wapigieni makofi. Asanteni sana kwa kuheshimu Senior Elder David na kuheshimu Senior Pastor Felista na watoto wake. And that is why we are here. My name is Reverend Sir James. Na nashukuru kwa nafasi hii kidogo ambayo nimepewa. We will not waste any time kwa sababu kulingana na program ya Bishop George tuko na 30 minutes to be here. Na nashukuru pia Askofu George kwa sababu hiyo mtaratara ya kuleta matoleo imenisaidia sana kupatia wasanii nafasi ya kuperform. Tulikuwa tuperform wasanii 4. Kwa hivyo we are so grateful. Wale ambao hatujapatia nafasi ni wasanii ambao wanaimba zile nyimbo za mataro. What is mataro in Kiswahili? Matalo.
Is Mugithi.
Archbishop JJ anasema love. You mean love is mataro?
Yes.
Au ne wadaithia bao. So na wako hapa. Ninaona Jose Katutura. Simama namna hiyo. Simama Machete. Na Sunday tuko happy Royal Stadium to support that man. Naona nani mwingine? Samido. The Nyandarua. Aha. Asante. Kuna CDM Kirato. Ngoja mutikoje roguo. CDM mutikoja thirana hau ngaro ya mwena Regina. Raya. CDM Kirato. Where are you? Eko CDM. Nako. Aya, askofu kwa sababu ya heshima huyu mzee asalimie tu. Patia yeye microphone hapo. He is our father. Etagwo CDM Kirato. Ngoinira hanini? Ne Bishop Ororia huyo inaga atia? We. Acha tusalimiwe na CDM.
Mureba. Nina wajeri. Family yothe poleni sana. Mukwenda nyina kana jarie. Ngoja DJ.
We.
Ile angorota. Dota gana. Na tiwe weha. Ile angorota. inanga
We.
seya
We.
lero gucera tugathi nawe
Nĩ ũguo.
Johnny Mwendwa
Nĩ ũguo CDM.
na Wandiga
Twĩ kanitha-inĩ CDM.
Endi. Seya
Oi.
wega Gogoyo nĩ ũguo nĩ kwa mathiko.
Nĩ ũguo, nĩ ũguo, nĩ ũguo. Nĩ ũguo. Nĩ ũguo, nĩ ũguo.
Nĩ mũgoka mũgithe, nĩ mũgoka Gogoyo. Asante sana.
Asante, asante. Oya microphone ino ndakaine rũngĩ. Na rwĩmbo rũu ndĩramenyithio nĩ rwa mathaa ma hiti. Now, allow me to recognize media personalities walioko hapa. Walitusaidia sana kwenye kutangaza mazishi memorial service. Joki Waboro, Martin wa Janeti, Mariganeti nau, Shiroan, Kehejo, no Gedatiga,
Jeff Joroge.
Jeff Joroge,
Yeni. Na hena wa.
oh, Charity wa Kegosho Murata wa Lois Kim,
Yes.
asante, Waro eno,
Sarebu.
asante. Ikara thiri ni ndari gutamborire. O ndende mutamborire na no arenda gwitamborithia.
Ando ina tangathi kihejo.
Bishop, nina watu wangu nawapatia sekunde. I'm almost through with my program here. Kihejo. Okai na joki waku.
Yeni. Waboro.
Okai.
To the many musicians, colleagues of Royce King, we are comforting melodies, heartfelt hymn, and soul-stirring song created a sacred atmosphere that lifted our spirit and honored Geduku's life. Your artistry was a balm to our grieving hearts, weaving stories and hope weaving stories and hope into every note. Thank you for sharing your talents so generously and for providing an enduring soundtrack of love and remembrance. Thank you very much. Special thanks goes to our daughter Royce King for organizing and being the guiding light. Your remarkable leadership in coordinating every detail of your father's send-off was nothing short of the extraordinary. From orchestrating services in Jadaini and Kahawa West where you live, to uniting the family, friends, and colleagues, you navigated this journey with grace, compassion, and unswerving dedication. Your devotion ensured that Geduku's legacy shone brightly through this farewell. We are immensely proud of you and deeply grateful for your tireless efforts. We wish to honor Richard, who selflessly cared for Geduku during his illness. Was a true act of love. With patience, dignity, and devotion, you eased his burden and gave him comfort, and at the very end, your service was a gift to David and to all of us, and we remain deeply grateful. We also remember with gratitude the young men who prepared the burial site and grave and who stood guard and to ensure security during the funeral. Your strength and selfless dedication have made this day possible, and we thank you sincerely. To all who traveled from near and afar across towns and counties, your presence is a profound testament to the love and respect you held to Geduku. Your sacrifice to be here is great honor to the memory, and it has given us strength. Finally, we extend our thanks to the funeral committees at Moimuto and Kahawa West at Roy Kim's home, who worked tirelessly to plan, organize, and coordinate all that was required. Your wisdom, patience, and diligence carried us through this difficult season, and we will always honor you. To everyone who in one way or another stood with us, whether mentioned by name or not, please accept deepest gratitude. May the Lord bless you immensely. In all, God be the glory.
Thank you. Makofi mazuri. I appreciate him better. Asante sana. That is a powerful message that includes all of us. In fact, he has given a very good vote of thanks. Kwa hivyo mtu ambaye hajasikia kama ametajwa uko hapo ndani. Ero shomuriganetie we haudhini. Thank you papa. God bless you. Ni draigwa thoni gicunje kya mirongo kenda na inya tondu ria ndogamire haha ndinonania mutumia wakwa ndacoka ndona ni arandora na kiundu ati twakinya ndeko withdraw. Grace rogama weke ogwo, my sweet wife. Aha, asante. In the same breath ojetekerie warwino recognize Efa Maina. He is a senior chairman. Efa ekogwo ocio Efa Maina nyimbo ciake no cui nigukuinira tugithie na njira tukithie mathikoini. Allow me to recognize another senior artist, mundu gwitwo Philip Kimani. Na mutungatiri gethigo kone niguo uheane benediction witikirie aba aine just a piece getiguo jetekeria dabure the presence of admin wa kanitha wa JCM Joroge James. Asante, mbigieni makofi. Mariganetie na mundu roku wa muthikafu muthe Kengei ni ndakuona hau. Asante sana. Na brother ni urakiria irio. Eko Koge investor, where are you? Koge? Asante, asante sana. Iguma ne guhorwo bara njuru muno. Ni ma MC mara turarutaga wira namo. Very serious MCs. Turakorogwo turi andu 40 na kindu. Gacara niko kau. He is a good artist, an MC, na no uratuheaga sound kuria mucii. Appreciate him. Eko munya ugire takanarigie wa mutingoe. Mutingoe, appreciate wa mutingoe. Asante, asante. Warwino ni muramona ni uyu mutingoe ni mundu mweru mundu mati. Owe na ngueno ni wa mutingoe. Asante ikarathi. Nego request, nego recognize other people. Ginya mofe ya Paul wego ko pastor. Haiya. Muriganetie nao. Nikio tararia. Riu ni ndona mukuri no wendira kuona. Asante sana. Garuya ni alioka, he has his time. Unajua Garuya, he is an aspiring member of parliament in Subukia. Na ithui ni turakurathira uikarire gite kiu. Tondu ndirakwiria twi macaka-ini tigi aki. Hey! He mundu atuhuka ti uguo. Nego recognize other service providers with time, but Bishop, turari na committee igiri that were very serious, led by serious people. Nego request on behalf of our senior chairman Elder Kegomo turugamirirwo ni ithe wa Daisy kuma ni orari munini wa chairman na nigako de munini wa chairman ugo turathie turaina ro nginya urari goretwo ki riu nginya andu matukanirwo committee ini ukagwa mundu agweta chairman so turakiri ma chairman matheri ni ku request wa Daisy on behalf of committee assembly say something and on behalf of artists. Asante.